Hello guys, I came up with another video regarding Git commands. So I made in few things like in React videos. I hope in React videos in just in without a Git commanding I can't move it in further, because in Git commands is very important if you are in real time to do it. And I have in few Git commands in normally in casually you're using Git commands. Why you need like in is very important, guys. Like in Git commands is very important, like in your real-time project. Without Git commands you can't do it anything else. So because when we have your team members and your colleagues and so many members are all together, they're working together. So once you're pushing your changes, and very careful to be push those changes. So here like in there are a few Git commands like in git config, git init. Git config is fine, like in global one, like in you can do it like in just in config username and your user email, and then only you can push your changes in the master or which branch you want to be. The second thing is git init. That means in just reinitialize the your git command, like in okay, I will show you how to do. Git clone means you can clone this command is for the clone your the repository. Git status for is only for modified, what are the modified files you done in the, you can use the git status and then you can see. And git add is using the once you done your changes you can see what you added in your then just you can add it, and before commit the changes, if that means in stage you can stage it. Git commit means in you once you stage your files and just you can commit it before pushing the changes. That is very important. Git commit a means in just like in the command commits any file you have added with the git add command, and also commits any files you have changed in since then. That's the reason we are using. Git difference is just you want to see the difference in what you have done, what you modified the files. Git difference in stage means is going to be stage, what is the what you have done in the stage environment, like in once you stage it, and what are the difference you can see. Git difference, first branch and second branch. And reset I will talk to you later, guys, because right now I don't have any team members to be do it in reset. But reset, and I would like to tell you in reset and commit id. Okay, I will tell you the commit id how you're going to get it. And reset hard, and that means once you are getting any merge conflicts and it other team member and your work and other team member work, and how you are going to reset that hardly and reset. So if you are greater than 1.6.1 version in the git and you have to use it the git merge about, or older version you should use the git reset hard or git reset or merge or something. So first of all, I would like to give you the one like in how it is going to work on normal project. And just I want to create, see, is this is my git. I'm going to create the repository name like in git commands file. Okay, git command file or something, some name I kept it, and just to create a repository. So here, see, once you created the repository, so automatically it will ask you git init is coming, git add is coming, git commit is coming, git branch is coming, git remote is coming, git push is coming, everything is coming up. So I don't want to use it anything else, just I want to clone first. So I have to go here, and I want to create using the git bash here. And this git bash here, like in git clone is for clone the like in, as I said in clone is for the clone the repository, right? So my repository link, the virtual link, and then I have to hit this one, then I will get it the empty repository. So I have to go here and see here I got the empty repository with the git init. That means in git init is automatically here, see the git init is coming up. That means it's already it is coming. And just have to open in the Visual Studio Code. I hope git command file with the empty folder, I got it. Okay, I got the empty folder, and then empty folder I have to create one full file name hello.html. Okay, in this hello.html I want to create the simple file the simple file and head and that name like in tutorial git command tutorial git command tutorial, and then I have to create the body. In this body h1 git commands all git commands all git commands. Okay, so I created one file in this particular one. So first of all I want to go to terminal, and I want to minimize this one. Okay, it's gone. Over here, like in, I want to move it in left hand side, and then you can able to see the what I'm doing. Like in here, like in just I want to run this one, open with live server. Just I want to show the one. So here, see all git commands. The heading is coming up. So here, as I said, like in I want to use it the first in git init, git config. I don't want to use it because in for my side is not required. So if you want to do the one git config, you can utilize the one. So I want to use the git init again. So it is going to say, see here, what is going to say, reinitialize the existing git repository and command files and everything is coming up. And I want to clear, and then what I have to show, git clone already I have done, git status. So I want to show the git status, what is going to be show you. So see here, git status is going to tell you initial comment, untracked files, and git and include what will be committed. Here hello.html, nothing added to commit, but untracked files in present in the here. That means in red color is coming means you're not staged yet. So next one is the git add. Okay, what is the git add? Let me show the git add. Clear it, and then I got to add the git add, and then every time you should give the star or dot. Dot means it will go to take the a, or otherwise you can use the a all, this one also. Both are same, but I want to use the dot or star or hyphen all, doesn't matter which one is. Then see git add means it before stage. That means now you previously status it is showing the red color, that means it's unstaged. Now let me see the status. See, this color is the green color, that means you staged the particular file once you are using the git add command. Okay, so I want to clear it, and next commit is the git commit. What is that? Git commit hyphen m, right? Okay, that means you want to commit it before pushing the changes. Commit git commit hyphen m, and the changes for new html. So what comment do you want to be added, and you can add it, just hit that one. So here see it's saying like in, yeah, one file changed and 16 insertions, create mode, blah blah blah. So if once you are coming here, see that once you commit, that green color is gone, and now if you're seeing your git status, what is going to say? Git status, sorry, git status, see, nothing to commit, working directory is clear. That's it. That's what we needed. So now you have to push. Okay, I did not talk about in these commands like in push and alert, and I don't want to be if you want to see you can see, or otherwise if you want to okay, now I want to show the git difference, and later I will push it in the one git difference. Now there are no differences, right? So let me add in some name like in git commands values. Okay, git commands values, just I added one line here, and then now I want to hit this one. What is going to happen? See here, see like in it is going to show the differences. So what you have done previously, and then is going to previously it was like that, and now I added the one more line here. See, this line is coming up newly. The study is showing the red color and the green color, and the body and html new line is in the end of the file. So that's it, that is the difference, main difference, right? Suppose I want to close it, and I want to again I want to edit, and then I want to show the difference on stage, what is going to be happen in the stage. Okay, let me show that command as well, guys, and then we'll see git difference stage, what is happen like in now. Okay, that's staged only. So let me see in the git difference now. Okay, yeah, is showing in the same thing, like in I will go for another one, like in git reset. So okay, difference in if you want to see in the stage environment or something, you can stage it, but I did not stage it, right? That's the reason it's not showing anything else in the stage. Okay, let me see and do the stage, and we'll see how it is going to happen. So staging, you can do it in two different ways. If you are coming here and if you are clicking in here also, stage changes, or you can use the git add command. Okay, I want to show that command as well. I don't want to disturb this one. I want to open the new terminal. Okay, fine. Yep. So now I want to add. So here you can use this command to be do the stage, or otherwise you can do here also, you can stage it. Okay, stage the changes. Done. So no need to do anything. So already I done. No need this command. And then now I want to do the git difference stage. What happened? We'll say. See, now is coming up the git stage. So now it is the staged at these values. What is stage? So this particular thing is got in stage. So here, see, before it was in plus mark, now it is going to be here. Okay, that's the main difference. Git difference stage. And then before going to git reset command. Okay, I want to close this particular one. Okay, fine. So reset is mainly, I told you, like in if you have any merge conflicts, like in you have a team members, that team member done something else, and you are also doing in the same file somewhere else. If you are changing, it is going to give the merge complex, and it is going to ask you the which one is incoming changes, which one is the current changes, which one is the, so the both changes, which one you have to go to accept the one, like that's very important, or otherwise you can just call up your team member and you can talk to them, or otherwise if it is not required, just use the git reset hard and reset the command, like in that commit. Okay, rm means you have to remove the particular file. I don't want to any file to be added, or if you want to remove it, and you can remove the particular file. So these three commands I'm not going to use it now, because just you can utilize, guys, but I want to tell you the git log. So what is going to be happen with the git log? So let me show the git log. So it is going to give the my commit id, and with logs, sorry, log. So what is going to happen? See, this is my commit id. So I want to copy this commit id. I want to give the all the details, like in here, see, other details and date and changes for new html, the commit comment, and which time, what time exactly I push the changes. Okay, fine, let me copy this particular one. I will paste it in over here, and then I will go for here, and this is the log. And once I will get the log, tag is particularly if you want to tag it in which one you want to tag it, and you want to see the tag, like in every time you can't see the commit id every time. Once you do the git log only, if you don't know the one, like in if you want to do the tag it particularly, I will show the how to tag it. Git to tag is coming like this without empty. So if I want to keep it the one, git tag, and just I will copy paste the particular commit id. See. So now if I hit the git tag, what is going to happen? It's going to show that the particular commit id. So next time if you want to do the one, like you can git log and come tag id, and if you want to reset, if you want to revert it back the changes, if you want to about the changes, which one you want to be, or otherwise if you want to add some particular file to be changed, you can use the git tag, and you are getting the commit id and utilize that one. So next one, it is like yeah, I showed you git commit id, and log in follow file already is the particular file if you want to do it in particular file. And if you want to show, if you want to see the show commit, and just I want to show the show commit. So here, see, git show, um the commit ID, and we'll see. So it is going to show you everything what you have done so far. Let me drag it and show the one. See here, once you have done the one, hitting the one reference, the warning ref name is ambiguous. Git normally never creates the reference and blah blah blah, and it is going to give the other details and a different check and skipping and hello and what you have done and so far what you added. Everything is going to show all the commits and what you added, which file you added, where you added. Everything is going to show you the file. That's the magic of the show commit. Okay, it is going to show you the what you committed. If you don't know other people is committed, just you can give the git log and get the commit id, and you see the particular show and the particular one, like in who is committed this particular file. So that is the magic of the commit id show. And the branch, so here this is very important guys. Git branch and git branch name, and git branch if you want to delete the branch. See, git branch is just showing the particular branch. Git branch and branch name, it is going to create the new branch from the master. And git branch and minus d means it's t means the delete your branch. Git checkout, I will tell you about the git checkout later. And first I want to show the okay commands. Git branch, which branch are you in? So it is going to show you the master. You are in master, so clear it. And I want to create the, okay, before create I want to commit the changes. Sorry, commit the changes for html. Okay, and then I want to push the changes, push origin master. I want to talk to you about the push origin master later. First I want to show this one, like in what is going to happen, like in I want to push it, there's all these changes before creating the any new branch. And I want to come with, outside of the master branch, and I will go to create the new branch, and then it will go to be happen. But in it will take in few time, I don't know, but in, yeah, it is all done. Counting objects, but there isn't a fatal error. I don't know why it is coming up, but in my changes is got pushed. See, writing objects and total and removed, resolving, everything, blah blah blah. And this particular branch is going up. Okay, all the changes is there in that one. So you want to see that particular changes, go to command and just hit it this one again. So here, see, the hello.html is coming, right? So here the html, and go to file, and everything is the hello.html. I want to open it, I want to show the my git command. So you got it, I hope so. So here just I want to clear it. And before that I want to, as I said, like in git branch, which branch are you in, it is showing the which branch are you in. Okay, master branch. I want to create the new branch. What command? Git branch. And the branch name, which branch, like in code plus. Okay, code plus I want to create. Okay, code plus. And okay, and again I change my mind. No, I don't want to this branch. I want to create another name. Okay, fine, no problem. Okay, you can utilize this particular command minus d, as I said, and then you can give the code plus. Okay, sorry, there is no space. Code plus, so deleted, so the branch is not available. And again, if you want to create another branch, what you have to do, git branch and branch name, so code plus one. Okay, code plus one. So it got, did you mean this oh, okay, sorry. That's my fault. Sorry, git branch, okay, spelling code plus one. Okay, what happened, it is going to create the, it got created. So now where I am, like in a git branch, if I'm hitting the git branch, I'm in master only still, but there is a branch. I want to go in code plus branch. What command it is? That command is the git checkout, that particular branch name. So I want to use it, the git checkout code plus one. Okay, so what happened, so switch it to that branch. Now I want to hit the git branch again. What is going to show? See, this is the highlighted code plus one. So here I want to add the another file, like in hello one.html. So I want to copy everything from hello.html Okay, hello.html, and then I will keep it the tutorial one. Okay, values one. Okay, fine. Okay, that's the difference. Now I have to see git status, what is going to be show here. See, this is the particular file is uncommitted on stage. As I said in previously, go to here, and if you're clicking the plus stage changes, it will go to the stage. Or otherwise, another commit is the git add. Git add I space in dot is going to take the particularly it is going to edit the particular file. That's the difference, guys. Just I want to commit it. Just I want to commit the commit how to commit -m changes changes to. I don't want to do anymore. And then what I have to do, git push origin, right? After that git push origin code plus one. Okay, code plus one. So what happened we'll see, and I will talk to you about the push as well in very quickly, and after that I'm coming up. Just I want to do the things, and then next it is going to git checkout you landed, guys, and then git merge. Okay, git merge in branch name. So how you did it? So now my changes is got committed, and then I want to clear here, and once I cleared it, and then two files are coming. Now which branch I am? Let me see which branch I am. Git branch. So here code plus one is coming up. So I want to go to git checkout. I want to go to git checkout master. Okay, master. Okay, and switch to master. Again, I want to check it where I am, master. So this one is clear. Want to clear it, and git um, okay, master, I'm in master. So I want to merge my changes. Okay, merge the branch name. That branch name is code plus one. So code plus one changes to master branch. I'm merging to code plus one here. See, code plus one. So here, so I added all the changes into master branch. After master branch, after I merged it, and I want to do the git pull. And before that, I need to do this one git pull, but then I did not do it. Already up to date. Git pull is very important command, guys. Just before merging your changes, sorry, I did not do it the one before merging the changes. You have to do the git pull, because git pull is going to help you to get the team member, any team member is did any changes, you can git pull. Once your git pull, you are getting all the changes, then you can merge your changes, and then you can push your changes. So then I want to do the git push origin. If you are getting any merge conflicts also, you can do the resolve the merge conflicts, and then you can you utilize the git push origin and master. So I want to do the master. There is spelling mistake, master, and then it is going to be push my changes into master. So let me see, it is taking time to get the one. So before after that, I want to talk about the remote add, guys. Remote add just like in like in if you are is not like in once you are creating any new project, or if you have an existing project, just what you are going to do, git remote add. And if you are not in that particular branch, or if you are not getting after git initialization, you have to utilize that one. But in our scenario, which is not required, so that is the git remote use. And git push origin. So as I said, in variable name is the origin, branch name is the like in here like this. Let me show you. Git, already I showed this one, git push origin. As I did the command, this push, see here, see git push origin, this is the variable name, this is the branch name. So every time you should utilize the git branch push origin master, or what name you have, what name you are giving, what name what name your branch name, or otherwise your local branch name. Okay, local branch name you should give like that. So git push all just origin, just it is going, what happened without giving the master or which branch or something, it will go to give the one. Like in, let me show you another trick for you, like in I'm in master branch. Which branch I am? Let me check which branch I am. Git branch, right? So I'm in master branch. Cool. I want to go to Git um, Git checkout. I want to go to code plus one, code plus one. Okay, so I switch it to code plus one, and just I want to change it in few values to two or something I added, and I want to commit. I want to push it without using the branch name. So how we can push it in all? Like can use it the push hyphen all. Let me show the one. Like in before that one, I want to stage done and git commit hyphen m changes. Just I want to commit the changes and then git push origin, right? Push origin, and then what is the command before origin hyphen all. Okay, just origin before origin I want to keep it. I want to keep it here, hyphen all. That's it. I don't want to give any branch name, guys. So what happened? We'll see the command. Like, and it is going to be push all the changes. That's it. No need to do any branch name or something if you don't have. But in different scenarios, be careful, guys, because this command you can't use it because so many team members are working. So hard to do the one. Like in suppose for example, if unfortunately if you're merging in your changes with other team member changes, that's it will go live, everybody shouting on you. So be careful about this one. Okay, after that, git pull, already I talked about that one. Git pull is means it is the pulling other team member changes, other member changes. Okay, git pull is very important, you can do it. Okay, I'm going for git stash and save git stash pop, git stash list. Stash is mainly is using for the, like in a very important command, like in you can save it your changes before if you don't want to commit, and what is going to be happen, like in if you want to commit in after some time, or if you want to commit in after long or something, so you have to utilize the stash. Like in this command, temporarily stores the all the modified tracker files, and so that means in, okay, let me show the one, then why I'm speaking too much. Okay, so here, like in clear, I want to tree or tree. Okay, modified file. I want to do git stash, git stash save. So what is going to happen? So it is saving my changes, saved working directory and index stage. So code plus one, and head is now on blah blah blah. So if I want to pop the particular one pop, what is the use of the git stash pop? So this command git stash pop, let me show the git stash pop. It's going to pop up the recently stashed files. So git stash pop. So let me show the one. So what I save it, those one is going to show the particular command. See, modified file. See, everything is showing up, right? Drop and no changes added, the commit, and what are the file I added is stash. Okay, and I want to another command, like, and I would like to talk about the git stash list. I want to show the all stash changes sets. Git stash list. So what happened, we'll see. All the list is going to show, is not coming to show you because then I did not stash it again. I want to stash it again, but I don't want to show you guys. You can practice the one. If I want to drop it, I don't want to be stash it in my changes. I want to drop it. I'm just git stash drop. I want to drop it the stash. I don't want to save it in particular time, and just I want to stash it. Just it is going to be dropped. No stash found. That's it. Stash is gone. So that is the use of the magic of the stash. So if you want to save your work, and after some time if you want to push the changes, and just you can stash it, and then you can come back and you can do your work and stash back again, and you can do your work. That is the magic of the stash. So git fetch is very important, guys. Suppose for example, git fetch is useful for when you need to download other team members changes, you have to use the git patch. correct. If you want to download it in other, suppose for example, I created in one branch, one local branch, so other member is created in another branch. So I don't want, I want to that particular branch. I want to see, and otherwise, team member is going to leave. Okay. So he wants to, you want to work on the same branch and again and rework the same work. And if you want to utilize his branch, so use it the Git fetch, and then you are getting the that particular branch, all the branches, what are the local branches, what are the branches is available, just you can utilize this command. Will download all information for commits, refs, and etc. So you can review before applying those changes in your local repository. That's the magic of the Git fetch. I want to show you, but is here is not working because I don't have any other team member. Just I want to show you guys Git fetch. So here is the Git page, but in there are no branches over here. That's the reason is not coming. I don't have any team member. And Git rebase, like would like in okay, that's it guys. Like in, if you want to go through it, like in just you want to the rebase is the, okay, I would like to talk about the rebase. The rebase is the one of the two Git utilities, and specialize in integrating the changes from one branch to another branch. So so one branch to another branch, if you want to add it, any changes or any updates or something, you have to utilize the Git rebase, but I am not utilizing. So here I would like to point out the most common one is using the common things. Common things I want to here. If you are in developer, common developer is using the most of in everyday life, Git pull before Git pull, and Git um, Git stage. If you are doing any changes or something, Git status before stage. And once you've done your changes, you want to check it. And these commands only is using Git normal real time. Any developer, you're giving Git status. If you want to stage your changes, just to use the Git add and dollar star dot or whatever you want to be, and Git commit -m and your changes and blah blah blah, and Git push origin, and master, or your local branch name, or your local branch name, local branch name. And if you are getting Git merge conflicts, and then you have to use the Git reset, how to reset, or otherwise Git merge, about Git merge, about, okay, about. These commands most of the times I'm going to use it. If you want to check out, like in Git, if you want to create the Git branch and branch name and branch name, and if you want to check out another branch, and just you can check out branch name. Okay, these are all the commands I'm using it normally. Git checkout, and next, most of the times when I'm using these above all these things. So be careful guys, and these are all the commands I want to, common commands I want to keep it the name, like common commands in real time. Okay, that's pretty much of it guys. That is the comments. So yeah, keep watching in my videos, and thank you for watching now. Bye bye guys, see you on another video.